Alright, y'all. Welcome to episode 3 or 4.
No, it's like episode 2.
I think it's because I ate a bunch of carrots. Then I ate
I don't think I posted that.
Then I ate
You ate the bread and the foil, and I posted that.
Oh.
I didn't post the carrot one.
Okay, so this is episode 2. I got a new hairstyle. Among Us. I have 2, not 1, but 2 spaghetti noodles for me to eat.
Raw, uncooked.
Yes, they're raw, uncooked, hard, just like me on Saturday night when I see your mother.
Let me give them a demonstration.
Alright. I'm gonna eat the first one, and I'm gonna eat the second one really fast. Alright. So I'm gonna eat the first one normal, and I'm gonna eat the second one as fast as I possibly can. And I might die, but I don't care because I already want to. Alright. First one. Kind of hard. Really crunchy.
Let's do that sound.
But kind of got like this. The taste is indescribable. It's not bad, but it's not. Stop it. But it's not. I dropped my spaghetti.
No. Was it the full one or the half eaten? Oh, it was half eaten.
Well, it's pretty good. So you get used to the crunchiness. Sometimes it kind of splinters up and kind of hurts your mouth, but it's good.
Alrighty.
Now, the second one.
Time for part 2.
Look at the boys.
Filthy Among Us. Alright. I'm gonna eat the second one. Remember.
Yes.
As fast as I possibly can. I could die. Anyways. Quit trying to fart on the camera. Alright. You need to buy a GoPro. I think that would be better.
Yeah.
They're not too expensive. Anyway, I'm gonna eat the second one as fast as I can.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bro, just get to it, bro.
Alright. Give me a countdown, buddy.
3, 1, 24, 0.
Huh? Alright.
Boogity boogity.
That sound.
Dude, I feel really weird.